The next software development framework that we are going to talk about is the Java Virtual Machine, which is also known as JVM. A Java Virtual Machine is a set of computer software programs and data structures which use a virtual machine model for the execution of other computer programs and scripts. The model used by the JVM accepts a form of computer intermediate language commonly referred to as a Java bytecode. This language conceptually represents the instruction set of a stack-oriented capability architecture. Java Virtual Machine operate on a bytecode which is normally generated from Java source code. A JVM can also be used to implement programming languages other than Java. The JVM is a crucial component of the Java platform because JVM are available for many hardware and software platforms. When talking about the execution environment, programs intended to run on a JVM must be compiled into a standardized portable binary format, which typically comes in the form of .jar files. A program may consist of many classes in different files. For easier distribution of large programs, multiple class files may be packaged together in a .jar file. This is the structure of the JVM. This is the internal architecture of the Java Virtual Machine. As Java Virtual Machine was primarily aimed at running compiled Java programs, other languages like Ruby with JRuby, Groovy, Scala can run on top of it. Let us talk about the bytecode verifier. The JVM verifies all bytecode before it is executed. This verification consists of three types of checks. The first two of three checks take place primarily during the verification step, which occurs when a class is loaded and made eligible for use. Third is primarily performed dynamically when data item or methods of a class are first accessed by another class. Let us talk about the third software development framework, which is Ruby on Rails. It was developed by Rails core team. It is a web application framework which runs on cross-platform operating systems. So, what is Ruby on Rails? It is an open source web application framework for the Ruby programming language. Rails is a framework which saves a programmer from having to write repetitive lines of code by creating shortcuts. It is more suitable for short, client-driven projects. Like many contemporary web frameworks, Rails uses the Model View Controller (MVC) architecture pattern to organize application programming. Rails provides scaffolding which can automatically construct some of the models and view needed for a basic website. Since version 2.0, Ruby on Rails by default offers both HTML and XML as output formats. The latter is the facility for RESTful web services. Then, talking about framework's structure of Ruby on Rails, it is separated into various packages, which are Active Records, Active Resource, Action Pack, Active Support, and Action Mailer. Prior to version 2.0, Rails included the Action Web package, which is now replaced by Active Resource. Apart from standard package, developers can make plugins to extend existing package. This diagram shows the architecture of the Ruby on Rails. Let us talk about designing features of the Ruby on Rails. Ruby on Rails is intended to emphasize convention over configuration and the rapid development principle of don't repeat yourself. Convention over configuration means a developer only needs to specify unconventional aspects of the application. Don't repeat yourself means that information is located in a single unambiguous place. These are some of the benefits that you can gain when you use Ruby on Rails. When we talk about the recent development regarding Ruby on Rails, the latest version released was the version 2.2. The most notable features specified in version 2.2 are an internationalized framework, thread safely, easy access to HTTP caching, compatible with Ruby 1.9 and JRuby, and new documentation. Since we have come to the end of our video session 2, let me wind up by taking you through what we have provided. Our main goal was to deliver an advanced idea about software development frameworks and to deliver more information about the frameworks available in modern software industry, and to state how software development frameworks differ from each other. So, hope you gain some kind of a broad idea on about details we brought out during the video session. Thank you.